Hello friends, if you are searching how to cancel EasyJet flight booking, so your search ends here. After watching this video, you can easily cancel your EasyJet flight booking via online, only in some easy steps. All steps you can see on your screen. Let's get started. Please note, if you cancel your flight within 24 hours of booking, then you will get a full refund after cancelling your flight. After 24 hours, you can still be able to cancel the flight, but the chances of getting a refund are low. Method 1. Cancel an EasyJet flight over a call. You need to make a call on EasyJet contact number +44 33055515151 and get connected with their team member on a call. They will then help you in cancelling your flight. Take a look at this table for local telephone numbers according to the country. All numbers you can see on your screen. And you are done. Method 2. Cancel EasyJet flight online. First, go to EasyJet website and click on Manage Booking from the top of the screen. Then, you will have to sign into your account by using your email address and password. Click on Sign In button. After logging into your account, go to the Manage Booking section and select the flight that you want to cancel. From the EasyJet Manage Booking section, you will be able to cancel the flight. You can also go to their Help and Info option to get specific help in cancelling your flight. Only by using this method you can cancel your EasyJet flight booking. Hope you like this video. If yes, please hit a like button and don't forget to follow our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.